this video, I'm going to give you 10 tips that will instantly improve the look of your smartphone video. Are you a vlogger, a blogger, or a layman who has gone to a tourist site and wanting to shoot video, create memories, and share with people? Then this tutorial is for you. Hello, my name is Anas Richard. Welcome to Experience with Anas the Filmmaker. Please do subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell for all notifications, share, tell us what you want to learn. We are here to teach and learn together. Tip number 1, video quality. I always entreat people, if your phone supports 4K, shoot 4K. If your phone supports 1080, shoot 1080. If your phone supports 720, shoot 720. Always try and shoot the highest video quality. Any quality that you shoot gives a good, clean footage. Tip number 2, camera angles. Camera angles are very good in creating content and shooting video. Always try to get different camera angles. Try to reveal the environment. Try to reveal the tourist site, the place in which you want to show to people out there. Try to get a wide shot. Try to get a full shot so that people will know how beautiful the place is, how the place looks like. Never forget about your camera angles. Shoot from different angles. It's very important. Tip number 3, camera movement. Always think about the story you want to tell. Think about the video you want to shoot, the message you want to send out there. Try to get smooth camera movement and keep it consistent at all times. You can push in your camera forward, push in backwards to reveal your subject or your location. Tip number 4, slow motion. Slow motion in footages or in content creation or in video shooting is very nice and very good. It gives a certain impression. Whenever you slow down your footage or whenever you slow down your video, it gives certain impression to your viewer. So always, I entreat you to shoot either 50 frames per second for your slow-mo, 60 or 120. If your phone supports it, you can shoot any of these slow-mo settings. Tip number 5, be creative. Creativity is one of the best things that will get you wherever you want to go. Creativity. Bring out something new. Take a shot you've not taken before. Don't do the normal things. Try to go the extra mile. Do the extraordinary. Get certain shots from different angles. Try to create something new so that your audience will always be yearning for your content whenever you put it out there. Tip number 6, sound effect. Sound effect is very important. It is said that music is food for the soul. So whatever content you create, whatever video, whatever story you are telling, think about the sound. Think about your story and link it to a particular sound effect. You can get a lot of free sound effect. Even YouTube has a lot of sound effect that you can get. Tip number 7, titles. Whatever title you give to your video, whatever title you give to your content, always makes your viewer or your audience wanting to watch your video. Tip number 8, transitions. Try to get the best transitions fit for your video, fit for your content that you are creating. Don't just use any other transition. Use certain standard transitions that will speak to the content you are creating, that will speak to the story. Tip number 9, color grading. There's a difference between color correction and color grading. Color correction is basically correcting certain colors, but color grading is giving your footage or giving your video a certain look. Whenever you give your video a certain look, it also tells a good story. Try to always get a good color grading. Grade your video in a certain perspective. Tip number 10, which is my last tip, is your export setting. After you are done with your editing, after you have done with your color grading, after you are done with your titles and everything, look at your targeted audience. Where are they going to watch it? Is it on a big screen? Is it on their phone? Is it for social media? So that you look at the export setting which best fits it. Provided you are creating a content for people to watch on phone, to watch on their smartphone, always I entreat you to export your video in probably 640 by 360. When you are creating your content for TV consumption, there you can export it in 1080. So take note of your export settings. These are the 10 tips to get a clean, good video with your smartphone. Thank you very much. My name is Anas Richard, and this is Experience with Anas the Filmmaker. Subscribe to our channel, hit the notification button, and be ready for anything that we put it out there. Thank you.